Start.
Dear students, good morning to all. Today I am going to teach second standard English first lesson. Are you ready to listen the class? Good. Where do you live? In home. Very good. How many members are there in your home? 4, then 5, then 6. Very good. Are you enjoy with your family members? Yes, of course. All the persons enjoy with our family members. So our home is very sweet. Okay. Today is our lesson. Our sweet home. Our sweet home. Let us see the lesson. Our sweet home. Look at this. What is this? This is our sweet home. Good. What is mean by home? Home is an enjoyable, happy place. What is mean by home? Home is an enjoyable, happy place. That only? No. It protects us, rain, heat, cold and wild animals. It also protects us from thief. Okay, what is mean by home? Home is an enjoyable, happy place. Okay, cuties, how many rooms are there in your home? There are many rooms. Fine, many rooms. Good. Let us see the 4 main rooms. What are they? Bedroom, kitchen, living room, then bathroom. Okay, let us see the 4 main rooms. There are 4 main rooms. One is a bedroom. Good. Next one is kitchen. Next one is kitchen. And another one is living room. What is that? Living room. Good. Then next one is bathroom. These are the 4 main rooms in our home. Okay, look at this picture. There are many things such as lamp, pillow, cot, cradle, cupboard, then clock. What are they? Lamp, pillow, cot, cradle, cupboard, then clock. Okay, listen this picture. Where you keep these things in your home? Think and say the answer. Where you keep these things in your home? Good. Bedroom. How you know this is a bedroom? Because there is a bed, you easily find out this is a bedroom. Right? Good. Let us see the uses of things. What is the use of clock? Clock is used to indicate time. Cupboard. Keep our things safely. So what is the use of cradle? Cradle means baby cot. It is used to sleep peacefully for babies. Then cot. It gives peaceful sleep to us. Then pillow. It gives support to the head while sleeping. Lamp. It gives bright light at night. Let us see the uses of things. Clock. Clock is used to indicate time. Good. Clock indicate time. Then cupboard. Keep our things safely. Cupboard. Keep our things safely. Next, lamp. It gives bright light at night. Lamp gives bright light. Then next, pillow. It gives support to the head while sleeping. Pillow gives support to the head. Next, cradle. Cradle means baby cot. Babies are sleeping peacefully in the cradle. Cradle, baby cot. Cot. It gives us peaceful sleep to us. Peaceful sleep to us. Clock, indicate time. Cupboard, keep our things safely. Lamp, gives bright light. Pillow, gives support to the head while sleeping. Cradle is a baby cot. Babies who are sleeping peacefully in the cradle. Then cot, it gives peaceful sleep to us. Okay, are you understand about the bedroom? Good. So which gives us bright light? Lamp. Nice. Which gives us support to the head? Pillow. Good. Let us see the next one. Okay. Look at this picture. There are many things. What are they? Sink, stove, mixie, plate, dustbin, then grinder. Again one more time. Sink, dustbin, grinder, stove, mixie, then plate. Do you know where these things keep in your home? Okay. Kitchen. Really? How do you know this is the kitchen? Because there is a stove and plate, so you are easily find out this is a kitchen, right? Good. So what is mean by kitchen? Kitchen is a room in a home where we prepare food. That place is called a kitchen. Say what is mean by kitchen? Where we prepare food, that place is called a kitchen. Very good. Let us see the uses of things. So what are the use of plate? Mostly plates are round shape. We can use the plate to eat food. Good. Next, what is the use of stove? It is used to cook raw food items. Good. Then what is the use of mixie? It grind the food items. It grind the food items. Next, what is the use of sink? Sink we can use to clean the vessels, fruits and vegetables. We can use the sink to clean the vessels, fruits and vegetables. Nice. Then, what is the use of dustbin? We can use the dustbin to keep the waste. Okay. Plate, mixie, stove, grinder, dustbin, sink. These are the kitchen things. Let us see the uses of things. Plate. What is the use of plate? We can use the plate to eat food. Good. Next, what is the use of sink? To clean the vessels, fruits and vegetables. Clean the vessels, fruits and vegetables. Next, so what are the use of dustbin? Keep the waste things. main thing. What is the use of stove? Prepare food. Okay. What is the use of mixie? Grind the food items. Grind the food items. Okay. So what is mean by kitchen? Where we cook food, that place is called kitchen. Or you understand about the kitchen? Okay. Which one is used to eat food? Plate. Nice. Where you clean your hands, then wash our fruits and vegetables? In the sink. Good. Which one grind the food items? Mixing. Okay. Are you understand about the kitchen things? Let us move next one. Okay. Listen the picture. There are many things. What are they? Door, chair, television, window, sofa. There are many items, right? Okay. Where you keep these things in your home? In living room. Good. How you find out this is a living room? Because there is a television, then sofa. So you are easily find out this is a living room, right? Good. Let us see the uses of things. Here, door. What is the use of door? Door is a movable structure. It is used for opening and closing the entrance. Chair and sofa. It gives comfortable seat to us while you have tired, otherwise you are watching TV, otherwise you are talking with our friends. It gives comfortable seat to us. Next, then television. Television is one of the most popular entertainment device. Entertainment means enjoyment. Not only us, all over the world. Okay, so TV is television, the short form TV. TV is one of the most popular entertainment device. Do you know, children, who invented the television? John Logie Baird. Who invented the television? John Logie Baird. Good. Let us see the uses of things. Door. Door is a movable structure. Okay. It is used for opening and closing the entrance. Open and close the entrance. Good. Television. It gives entertainment to us. Entertainment. Okay, so what is the use of sofa and chair? Sofa and chair. It gives comfortable seat to us while you are watching the TV, then talking with our friends. It gives comfortable seat. Okay, so what is the use of living room? It gives entertainment. How? When you are talking with your friends, you are watching television, then talking and do something. This is all you do in the living room. So that is one kind of entertainment room in your home. Right? Let us move the next one. Look at this picture. There are many things. What are they? Towel, brush, soap, mirror, wash basin, mug and bucket. Again, towel, brush, tap, mug, bucket, wash basin, soap, brush, then mirror. Okay, what is the room where you keep these things in your home? Bathroom. Good. How you say this is a bathroom? Because there is a soap, towel and brush. So you are easily find out this is a bathroom. Right? Good. So what is meant by bathroom? Bathroom is one of the room used for personal hygiene activities. Personal hygiene activities. What is meant by hygiene? Cleanliness. Hygiene, cleanliness. Okay, let us see the uses of things. Bathroom is one of the room in the home. It's very important to us how it is used for personal hygiene activities or personal hygiene activities. Let us see the uses of things. Look at here. See here. So what is this? Mirror. This one, wash basin. This one, soap. This is bucket. Then this is towel. This is toothbrush. Okay. What is the use of brush? Brush. It is used to brush our teeth. Are you brush your teeth daily? How many times? Twice a day. Good. Brush our teeth twice a day. So brush is used for brush our teeth. Brush our teeth. Next, what is the use of mirror? To see our face, then dressing well, right? Good. Mirror, see your face. Good. Then, what is the use of wash basin? It is used for small activities like face wash, mouth wash, then hand wash, etc. What is the use of wash basin? For small activities. Wash basin used for small activities. Good. Next, what is this? Soap. It is used to clean our body and give good smell to us. So, clean our body, then gives good smell. Good. Then what is the use of bucket? It is used to store water. Used to store water. Okay. So these are the main things in the bathroom. Right? Good. Which one will help us to brush our teeth? Brush. Good. Which one look at our face? Which one used to look our face? Mirror. There. Where do you face wash in your home? In the wash basin. Good. Which gives good smell to us? So, good. So, what is meant by bathroom? Bathroom is one of the room in your home. It is used for personal hygiene activities. Okay, children? Are you understand about our home? Are you learn about bedroom, kitchen, bathroom and the living room? Okay. Let us recall one time. Good. Look at this picture. You think and say the answers. First, I keep this one. See here, there are many things. Door, chair, television, sofa, then window. Children, listen and say the answer. Where you keep these things in your home? Good. Where you keep? In living room. Good. Let us move the next one. There are many things. Listen carefully. Toothbrush, towel, bucket, mirror, wash basin and soap. Where you keep these things in your home? Bathroom. Good. Next, look at here. There are many things like clock, cupboard, lamp, pillow, cradle, cot. Where you keep these things? In bedroom. Good. Next one. Plate, stove, sink, then dustbin, mixie. Where you keep these things in your home? In kitchen. Very good. Are you understand about the 4 rooms? Good. Shall I ask question to you? Okay. Where do we cook food? We cook food in the kitchen. Good. Name some kitchen things. Stove, mixie, grinder, then plate. Nice. How many rooms are there in your home? You count and write in your home. Next, what is mean by home? Home. What is mean by home? Home means enjoyable, happy place. What is mean by home? Home is an enjoyable, happy place. Let us see the opposites. Clean. Clean. What is the opposite word of clean? Dirty. Clean, dirty. Bright. What is the opposite word of bright? Dark. Sweet. What is do you know sweet? Sugar is very sweet. What is the taste of bitter gourd? Bitter. So sweet opposite word is bitter. Then next, happy. What is the word opposite word of happy? Sad. Clean, dirty, bright, dull. Sweet, bitter. Happy, sad. Clean, dirty, bright, dull, sweet, bitter, happy, sad. Okay, are you understand about the opposites? Okay, these answers you write in your note. Questions, answers and opposite answers. You write in your notebook. We will meet in next class. Thank you. Dear students, good morning to all. Today I am going to teach 2nd standard English first lesson. Are you ready to listen the class? Good. Where do you live? In home. Very good. How many members are there in your home? 4, then 5, then 6. Very good. Are you enjoy with your family members? Yes, of course. All the persons enjoy with our family members. So our home is very sweet. Okay. Today is our lesson. Our sweet home. Our sweet home. Let us see the lesson. Our sweet home.